So-ke ngike ngakhuluma before about le shift eyenzeka emhlabeni, le shift eyenza ukuthi as abantu simove from a third dimension to the fourth dimension. Le shift le yenzeka emqondweni yethu subconsciously and then bese siyayifila consciously. Abantu laba abavulelekile, people who have awakened, bayakwazi ukuthi bazi-elevate and bakwazi ukuthi futhi benze introspection ezokwenza ukuthi umuntu imkhombise ukuthi ukweyiphi yena i-dimension. Le dimension iyenzeka whether you are aware of it or not, because it's something that is universally. What I am saying with it though ukuthi iyenza kube khona i-conflict amongst us, especially kuma-generations. Older generations are-clash nama-younger generations. Kuke kwaba nento esikhulumayo yokuthi izingane zama-2000s ziyahlupha, izingane zama-2000s azilawuleki nje, bayi-generation engalaleli basically. And part of the problem eyenza leyo nto iyo le consciousness emuvayo manje from any dimension iya kwenye. Bona bazalwe ngesikhathi lapho umhlaba ubuvele usushifta, thina sazalwa kudala singakambuleleki ukuthi kahle kahle kunento ezama vibrations, kune energy that we need to take care of. Bona bavele bazalwa, they didn't even have to make an effort, already bazalwe umhlaba usushiftile. Izinto bazibona ngenye indlela. Thina sikhule salalela kubazali, senza lezo zinto ezenziwa ekhaya without question, because umhlaba vele ubungakaphakami kwi-vibration ngendlela osuphakame ngayo. Manje bona bazali umhlaba usuvele usuphakeme, usu-elevated vibration wise. Lento yenza ukuthi bona bahlakaniphe, babe independent, babe more in contact futhi with the energies of the universe. Abadinga ukutshela umuntu, they feel it, they live it. They ask ama-questions about izinto. Thina because sisenza izinto ngokulandela, sibadala kwaye masiqala si-questiona izinto. Bona bathe bezala babe questiona already izinto esizenzayo ukuthi kodwa lento beniyenzelani, lokhu why nakwenza lokhu, because I mean this thing is not on. And then you find ukuthi nathi there's a lot of things esafundiswa zona manje sesiyavuka siyabona ukuthi engathi lena ibisidukisa. Imasibona manje, but we started off by listening, bona abazange baze balalele. Lento idala ukuthi bese kuba khona le clash ekhona ke between abazali nabantwana. Of lately busy nokwenza ama-birth chart. What I'm discovering ukuthi ama-birth charts ezingane lezi zama-2000s wonke asho almost the same thing, ukuthi bayi-generation eshintshayo izinto, bayi-generation that are taking matters into their own hands and bane difficulty in following authority, which means lezo ingane obviously zizoba ne-clash nabazali. We need to try and find a middle ground somewhere. And thina as abazali, yes, si-frustrated kakhulu, but at some point kumele maybe we need to understand ukuthi there's a change eyenzeka emhlabeni. Sithi noma ngabe silwa nabantwana ngoba phela vele singabazali, kodwa sibuye sikhumbule ukuthi there are other forces at play. Do not push too much emntwaneni, because awumazi ukuthi ulawulwa yini ngaphakathi. Izinto eziningi zama-energies zokumanifesta, zokuzi-elevate ne-consciousness sifunde manje i-most yabantu. Lento yenza ukuthi in the past thina besingabantu aba-operate kakhulu nge-fear ne-anger, stubbornness nokuba forcefulness, without knowing ukuthi those are the low vibrational energies. Manje njengoba sesiqala senzo meditation o yoga, sesazi ukuthi umuntu kumele ukuthi aziphakamise ngendlela ayiphakamisa ngayo. Ikhona sesirealize ukuthi we need to elevate ourselves and operate from the heart chakra. But you find ukuthi lezi ngane lezi zona vele lento seziyayazi, uthola ukuthi futhi sezoze zikubuke sengazi ukuthi slow wena as umuntu omdala, because manje uthatha kude kanti wona bafuna ukuhamba nge-straight line, abafuna ukuzungeza. Somehow we need to try and deal with this thing before it gets out of hand. We really try ukuthi noma ngabe senzani kodwa sizama ukufaka uthando phakathi entweni yethu esiyenzayo, singakhohlwa ukuthi abantwana bethu lapha at the end of the day bafuna ukwamukela, bafuna uthando. Singasho kalula indaba yothando athi umuntu eyingane ingihluphile sekuzokaphela kwalona lolo thando, ngesikhathi kuphela uthando yilapho usulahla khona ithawu lakhe, ilapho sekwenzeka khona inkinga ngoba lama forces alawula lo mntwana azomlawula ukuthi enze noma yini, because le generation izalela ukuthi yenze something and isoul yabo, each and every one of them unaleyo soul yokuthi thina sizo transforma, sizobulala ama limiting belief systems, and those limiting belief systems ilawa thina esikhule ngawo besingazi ukuthi ayasilimita, sawashintsha later on, but manje sesibukeka njengabantu we are being judged ukuthi senze into eyibulima, because there's a lot of things that are changing manje, that we are also changing, that we are waking up from ukuthi no man lento ibisilibazisa, but abantwana bona bayibonile beqala bevula amehlo bayibona and bathi mina ngeke ngize ngiyilibazise ngaleyo nto leyo. Umhlaba njengoba ushift ushintsha, it's gonna take a while ukuthi izinto zistabilize lapho sobe sesihlangene khona sonke sesingasajajani. Okwamanje kusabheke phezulu kakhulu, kodwa asingabayekeleli kakhulu abantwana bethu ngoba bagcina sebelahleka for good. Sikhumbule futhi ukuthi imiqondo yabo isanako ukuthi iyabantwana, it's just that ba empowered bona nge-energy yabo ke ukuthi izinto bazibone futhi bangalibali ngendlela thina esalibala ngayo. Uma ngase kwenzeka ukuthi sizame thina ukuthi sithi maybe you know catch up with the program as abazali, sizama ukuzi elevate thina and operate from the heart chakra, because if usuziphakamisile wavulela leyo nto yothando yenza ukuthi ungajudge umntwana ngisho angenzani, uzame ukubona wena ngehlo elibanzi ukuthi isuka phi lento iyapi, because into oyifake uthando phakathi, uthando linamandla ngendlela eyisimangaliso. Bayaduka abantwana if sizolwa kakhulu nabo, bagcina futhi abanye sebethathe izinqumo ezigcina seyishaya thina abazali. So we really need ukuthi siyibuke lento yale generation yalabantwana bethu nathi singabazali, yokuthi kungabi khona ukuxhumana, ukuthi yenziwe ukuthi umhlaba wonke already usushintshile. So thina if singawavula amehlo sizame ukuthi sizi elevate, si understand lento ekhulunywayo ukuthi kune energy enkulu yomhlaba wonke, leyo energy leyo isibambe phansi. Thina sisalibele izinto ezincane nje zokuxabana sodwa, nokuxabana nomakhelwane, nokuxabana nabathakathi, silibele asiboni, and sizoluza abantwana bethu ngoba silibele mhlambe izinto ebezizosolveka ukuba besivele sizishiya kanjalo sizilaphe thina, because angeke uthi ufuna ukwelapheka kodwa wena ufuna ukulapha omunye umuntu, ufuna ukulapha umthakathi, ufuna ukulapha umuntu okuzondayo, or ufuna ukulwa naye. Ngingaze ngithi ufuna ukumelapha ngoba vele hayi ukuthi sisuke sifuna ukumelapha abantu, suke ufuna ukuyiphindiselela kumuntu, kanti lapho manje you are attracting ama negative energies to yourself. So into le consciousness nama dimensions lento eyenzekayo emhlabeni ake sibuke ngelinye ilihlo ukuthi idinga thina as abazali ukuthi kube khona izinto esizishintshayo khona sokwazi ukuthi samukele abantwana bethu ngenhliziyo evulelekile, ngenhliziyo enothando.